Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is, does premiering your videos make any difference on YouTube? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there. Before we get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, today's topic, do premieres make a difference? So YouTube, let's give you a bit of an explanation. So here are some of my, let's go to my recent videos, and you can see my most recent videos at the time of recording are these last four, and all of these I just published. Here's a good example. I just published. So I'm not going to play the video now. You can check those out after watching this video, but I just published them. They weren't premiered. So that one has 3,500 views. Let's go back because before those, the majority of my videos, I've been running a test for a few months now about premiering videos. So let's go back to this video, for example, and you can see that I published that. It says here premiered. So what a premiere, if you don't know, is when you watch the video that you publish and upload the video, and you watch it live with your audience as soon as it's available. So it might be, say, you get a countdown clock of 2 minutes, and then it will count down, and then your audience can watch the video at the same time you're around and online. And that means that if they have a quick comment or a quick question for you, you can respond to it because you're there watching the premiere at the same time. And then after that, they it's available for public consumption. Anybody can watch it at any time. And I've been running premieres on my videos. Let's go back to the videos. So quite a lot of my videos, not my last four, quite a lot of them were premiered. And what that meant was my community had access to watch the video while I was around online. And typically I got no more than sort of 10 people watching as I premiered it. So obviously I'm a small channel compared to some channels. I've only got sort of 14.7 thousand subscribers. I am growing, and I'm very grateful for those people who are joining the community. But when a video was live, I'd only get around 10 people watching, and most of those wouldn't leave any comments. They might, a couple of them would leave comments, and that's it. So I was going to the extra effort of premiering my videos, giving them premieres, so that people could have access to me, and only a few people would take that opportunity. So you can still just publish your videos normally. So I've been publishing my videos normally for the last few. It's not made, and it didn't, premiering my videos did not make any difference to the amount of views I got or any other sort of engagement metrics. So for me, after a few months of testing all videos by Premiere didn't really do anything, I decided to go back to just publishing them. There's still the option to do live streams. There's still the option to connect with the audience through that way. But just the simple technique of premiering videos that YouTube promotes, and they say to creators, well, you should premiere your videos so that people can watch them and contact you. In my evidence, my own personal evidence and my own experience, it didn't really make much of a difference. So I've stopped doing that, and I just publish videos when they're ready, and people can respond obviously and watch on demand, as is the normal pattern on YouTube. So I just wanted to give you some feedback there. I like to share my results when I can. So if you're a YouTuber, you've got a YouTube channel for your B2B business, or even your B2C business, you can appreciate that publishing videos via Premiere does not have a lot, in my experience, does not have a lot of tangible benefits. If you've experienced something very positive from publishing all your videos on Premieres, feel free to share that information in the comments. And obviously those channels that are much larger than mine, they'll have a different experience when they've got more people showing up to the actual premiere rather than watching later. Most of my audience tends to watch later. Wherever they are in the world, they can watch my videos much later. And obviously most of them are evergreen videos, so you can watch them anytime and they'll be relevant for business, for marketing, content marketing and social media for B2B businesses. But it depends on your audience, depends on your niche, and I'm sure in some sectors premieres work really well, but it's just been my experience that premieres for my B2B audience have not delivered anything. And as I always say with marketing activities, if you test something and test it and get your conclusive results after a period of testing, a large enough sample size, if you like, you can then conclude, well, actually this is not of any benefit to me or to my audience, so I'm not going to do that. I'll do other things. And I don't always share all of my results on YouTube, but I'm sharing the results of my premiere test. So I think it was most of the year, perhaps, I've been premiering my videos and I've not seen any benefits from it. So I'm not going to do that anymore. Thanks for watching this short video. Hope this has been useful to you. I do share some videos exclusively to the Patreon community. So if you're not a member of the Patreon community for my channel, then perhaps you should consider that. And the website for that is patreon.com/TheMikePitt, and I'll put that on screen now. Thanks for watching this short video. If you found it useful, me sharing this result of what's happened when I premiered videos, please give me a like. And if you want to watch another video from me, please click on one of the two thumbnails. Thanks for watching. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Bye bye. And if you've not subscribed already, thanks. Bye bye.